Hello and welcome to Deck Builders San Francisco, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are comparing porches and decks and helping you decide which one fits your home better. A lot of people use the words porch and deck like they mean the same thing, but they really do different jobs. Choosing the right one can change how your home looks from the street and how you move through your property every day. Let's start with porches. A porch is usually at the front or main entry of a home, and most porches have a roof. They are part of the face of the house. A well-built front porch can make an entry feel more welcoming, give you a dry spot to stand while unlocking the door, and provide a small seating area at the front of your property. Because they are covered and tied into the main roof, porches are built more like part of the house than a simple platform. Decks are different. A deck is more often at the back or side of the home, attached to a door that leads from a kitchen, living room, or upper floor. Decks may be open to the sky, partially covered, or connected to a pergola, but they usually feel more like outdoor rooms than formal entry spaces. They are where you put the grill, table, and lounge chairs, and they often connect to patios, lawns, and secondary doors around the house. Structure is a big difference between the two. A porch roof ties into the main roof or sits on strong beams and posts at the front of the home. It adds load to the house structure and must be designed to handle local wind and weather. A deck at the back may not have a roof, or it may use lighter cover options like pergolas or partial roofs. The framing, posts, and footings have to match those different roles. Materials and maintenance also change based on location. Porch floors live under some level of cover, but they still see wind-blown rain and sun at the edges. Decks, especially open ones, take full weather on all surfaces. That means choosing surfaces and finishes that can handle more exposure. Composite decking from brands like Trex can be a strong option on busy rear decks that see a lot of traffic and weather, while porches might mix decking with other materials depending on style and protection. Lifestyle is where the decision really comes together. If your main goal is to improve curb appeal and create a protected, welcoming front entry, a porch might be the right project to tackle first. It can transform how your home looks and how it feels to come and go, even if the porch itself stays fairly small. If your priority is outdoor living, cooking, and gathering, a rear or side deck will likely give you more value. A well-designed deck can support outdoor kitchens, dining areas, and lounge spaces, and it can connect nicely to patios, stairs, or even a future sunroom or covered structure. In some cases, the long-term plan might even call for both, a porch at the front and a deck at the back, added over time as your needs and budget allow. If you are trying to decide what to build next, take a walk around your house. Stand at the front and ask what would make the entry feel better. Then stand in the backyard and picture how you want to use that space on a normal day. That simple exercise often makes the answer clearer. If you want help choosing between a porch project and a deck project, or you are thinking about rebuilding one you already have, you can reach our team at 415-767-1899 or visit toughdeckbuilderssanfrancisco.com. We can look at the structure, the style of your home, and your everyday use to recommend a path that fits. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders San Francisco. The right choice between porch and deck can make your home feel more complete and easier to live in, inside and out.